It's 2017, December 28th, 11:53 p.m. just before midnight. And I'm doing this. Recently I was training close to this position here, somewhere around here, there. Don't even remember actually, probably not even here. And I did, yeah, somewhere around here. Oh, wait a second. Everything's in place now. I'm trying to catch a trend. I guess it's gonna go down. It looks like Bitcoin is going down for quite a bit now. So that was the blob I was recently in, and it's starting to take shape once again. However, I didn't got into many of these ways down. This was the one I caught recently, I guess, and now I hope that another one's gonna go down in flames soon. Let's see what happens. I'm still seeing it as a game of chance and hoping for the best option for me. So obviously the best is catching these kind of trends. However, I have no indication of how to actually spot these or even hope of catching these up. I'm just mostly waiting for the best, possible chance to get one. I'm not sure just how long I need to wait out until I end up in a trend. So if I'm wrong, how long I'm going to wait before I actually make some money? Should you look at the profit percentage, candles, candle size? What? So far nothing really makes a lot of sense because it most likely shouldn't. So certainly these are the trends here. No, these are not the trends. These are good trends right here, the ones that I actually want to catch. And as you can see, in theory it's going up now for the last 15 minutes. So I look at it and I see that it doesn't really look to me like that. Right? It tells me what? That it went down from 101 to 260. So I'm not talking about thousands here. And it went from a little over 101 to 316. Yeah, but that's like 5 minutes times 15. Over in here it's like, okay, I see what happened is that it stayed low for too long. As you can see, it wasn't moving for more than 10 minutes, and that's why it tells me. So in here I can probably see a bunch of trends. So you see how these charts interconnect. So I caught up this one right here, I guess. I wouldn't be surprised. No. Yeah, it was this one right here. Previously made a couple of $100, and that's it. So these kind of trends I'm looking for, and we see these are there. However, I have to wait for this, and waiting for these may not necessarily is a quick done deal. I may have to just sit and look for like 20 minutes until I even get the opportunity to buy into the market with some profit. I'm always staying in it, but we just went out from one stalemate to another, and it's very, very unlucky so far. Just at the beginning of this year it was less than a no, it was 1,000. Yes, there was certainly less than 1,000 for one Bitcoin, and moved up to nearly 20,000. That's 966 on this exchange that TradingView is using. I don't know which one is it. I never really looked at it. However, I have no doubts that it's one of the major out there. One of the major ones out there. I currently am making a little bit of cash, which is 52. However, that's not where I want to be. I just want to be in a trend. Now I wonder, how would I survive this leg up and keep myself from top to bottom without changing the direction, even especially in these positions where it's clear that the trend is upwards rather than downwards. It's hard to say. Obviously it's best to just wait, because these trends, they certainly do exist, and I guess that one of the most important things out there is waiting it all out, getting into these 1 hour, 2 hour trends out there, trying to keep the losses at bay most of the time. And as you can see, these trends are approximately an hour 2-hour length in time, and they are massive. So maybe it's just best to catch a long term, so that's like a 2-hour trend, rather than looking for short term trends. There are obviously 4-hour trends too. It depends when exactly you should change your direction. Should it be solely based on time, or should you wait a long time? It's unclear.